Homes near the 36th Street Trailhead sit close to the desert floor, where fine dust and grit settle into every tile edge and roof penetration. That grit traps moisture during monsoon season, and 7 months of hard Tucson sun wears down underlayment faster than most homeowners expect. Streets near the trailhead fill up with hiker parking on weekends, and some driveways back right up against the wash with narrow access. Our crew plans around that, scheduling weekday mornings before trail traffic picks up and before the roof gets too hot to work on safely. David comes out personally for every estimate. He'll tell you straight whether it's a quick repair or something bigger. No upselling. Don't wait for a monsoon storm to force the issue. A roof that's been baking since April is already under stress before the rain even starts. Call or text DC Roofing of Arizona for a free roof inspection near the 36th Street Trailhead.